What is that?
That is my book.
Is this your pen?
This is my pen.
What's that over there?
That is a bird.
Is it cold outside?
Yes, it is very cold.
Can you bring me that?
Sure, I'll bring that to you.
Do you like this color?
I love this color.
What's in that box?
That box has toys.
Is it raining?
Yes, it is raining.
Who is that?
That is my friend.
Is this the right answer?
This is correct.
Can you fix that?
Yes, I can fix that.
Is it hard to learn?
No, it's easy.
Where did you get that?
I got that at the store.
Is this your first time here?
This is my first time.
What does that mean?
That means it's finished.
Is it dark outside?
Yes, it is.
Can I try this?
Sure, you can try this.
Is that a good idea?
That's a great idea.
What time is it?
It is 3 p.m.
Do you like that show?
I love that show.
Is this your car?
Yes, this is my car.
How much is it?
It's $10.
Did you see that?
I saw that.
Is it safe?
Yes, it's safe.
What's that smell?
That's my perfume.
Is this for me?
This is for you.
Can it fly?
Yes, it can.
Do you remember that?
I remember that.
Is it done?
It's finished.
What's that noise?
That is the wind.
Is this enough?
Yes, this is enough.
Can you handle it?
I can handle it.
Is that yours?
No, that's not mine.
What is it?
It's a surprise.
Do you need this?
Yes, I need this.
Is that expensive?
That's very expensive.
Is it working?
No, it's broken.
Can you lift that?
I can lift that.
What does it do?
It makes coffee.
Is this difficult?
No, this is easy.
How far is it?
It's 10 miles away.
Do you like that food?
I love that food.
Is this all?
Yes, this is all.
What color is that?
That is blue.
Can I take this?
Yes, take this.
Is it heavy?
Yes, it's very heavy.
What's in that bag?
That bag has clothes.
Is this clean?
Yes, this is clean.
Does it taste good?
It tastes great.
Who gave you that?
My mom gave me that.
Is that your phone?
That is my phone.
Can it be fixed?
It can be fixed.
Where did you find that?
I found that in the kitchen.
Is it important?
Yes, it's very important.
Does this hurt?
No, this doesn't hurt.
Is that a cat?
Yes, that's a cat.
What's it made of?
It's made of wood.